Sony is once again making headlines in the world of digital cinema, and this time, it's about the much-anticipated Sony FX8. Although not officially announced yet, several reliable sources have shared rumors that suggest Sony may soon unveil this exciting new addition to its FX cinema lineup. The FX8 is believed to be the direct successor of either the Sony FX6 or FX9, which have long served as go-to choices for professional filmmakers. With a strong focus on video performance and some notable technological upgrades, the FX8 could very well be the refresh the aging FX series desperately needs. One of the standout points from the rumors is that the Sony FX8 will be heavily centered around video, unlike hybrid cameras that try to serve both photo and video users. This means the camera is being designed specifically with video creators, filmmakers, and content producers in mind. Sony seems to be narrowing its target audience, creating a tool that can handle long, high-quality recordings with better reliability, performance, and usability. It's not trying to be a stills camera with video features. It aims to be a professional cinema tool right out of the box. In-body image stabilization, commonly known as IBIS, is getting a major upgrade in the FX8, according to the buzz. The new IBIS unit is said to work particularly well for handheld shooting, allowing users to achieve smoother footage without the need for a gimbal or external stabilizers. This is great news for documentary makers or solo shooters who often rely on handheld setups. Better stabilization also means better results in fast-paced environments and more freedom in creative shooting styles. The FX8 is rumored to use the same sensor found in the Sony A7 IV, which is a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor. While it may not be a revolutionary new sensor, the one in the A7 IV is known for its solid performance in both resolution and low-light conditions. For video work, this sensor should provide rich detail, natural colors, and good dynamic range. By borrowing this sensor, Sony is also possibly maintaining a balance between high-quality output and cost efficiency. One of the most important things for a video camera is how well it handles heat during long shoots. Thankfully, the FX8 is expected to feature a built-in fan system that will help manage internal temperatures. This is a crucial addition because overheating has been a known issue in some mirrorless cameras during extended 4K or 8K recording. With the fan in place, users can expect longer recording times without interruption, making the FX8 a more dependable choice for professional productions. Another interesting rumor is about a new naming scheme, with some suggesting that the FX8 might be released under the name FX1. If this turns out to be true, the FX1 could represent a more powerful version of the FX8 or a separate model entirely, one that might support 8K resolution and possibly use the sensor from the Sony A1. This would put the FX1 in a new category of high-end cinema cameras, designed for those working in large-scale productions or future-proof content creation. The idea is that FX1 could handle 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 240 frames per second, which are very high-end specifications for any camera in this size and class. One of the more advanced rumors around the FX8 is the inclusion of 32-bit float audio recording. This is a big deal for video creators, as it offers far greater flexibility in post-production. 32-bit float audio ensures that even if the recording level is too high or too low, the data can still be recovered without distortion or loss in quality. It's a lifesaver for one-man crews or fast-paced shoots where you can't always monitor audio perfectly. The FX8 might also come with an eSIM, allowing the camera to connect to the internet for live streaming or backing up data in real time. This is a very modern feature that aligns with the increasing demand for live video, especially for events, conferences, and social media content. Additional connectivity features could include dual USB-C ports, which might support both charging and fast data transfer at the same time. These additions would make the FX8 extremely versatile and efficient for professionals on the move. Sony seems to be focusing on improving the user experience as well. Rumors mention a simplified menu system, which would be a welcome change. Sony menus have often been criticized for being too complex or hard to navigate. A cleaner and more intuitive interface could greatly enhance the usability of the FX8, especially for users transitioning from other systems, or newer, to Sony's ecosystem. Additionally, features like a robust top handle may be included, offering better grip and more mounting options for accessories like microphones or monitors. Another exciting feature that may come to the FX8 is AI-powered autofocus. This could take subject tracking and face detection to new levels, helping camera operators maintain focus on moving subjects more accurately. There are also rumors of a locking E-mount, which would provide better stability when using heavier cinema lenses. These features show Sony's commitment to building a truly professional and reliable tool for filmmakers. Last but certainly not least, the FX8 might offer 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 240 frames per second. If true, these specs would place the FX8 in the elite category of high-performance cinema cameras. The ability to shoot 8K is important for large-scale productions, or for creators who want to crop into their footage without losing quality. On the other hand, 4K at 240 frames per second allows for ultra-slow motion, ideal for sports, action, or creative storytelling. Although still unconfirmed, the Sony FX8 rumors paint a very promising picture for video professionals looking for a new, reliable, and feature-rich camera. With improved stabilization, a video-first design, advanced connectivity, and powerful recording specs, the FX8 could be the answer to many creators' needs. Whether it keeps the name FX8 or shifts to something like FX1, it's clear that Sony is preparing to take its cinema line to the next level. The combination of cutting-edge features and practical design makes this rumored camera one of the most anticipated releases for filmmakers in 2025. All eyes are now on Sony as we wait for official confirmation and a full reveal in the coming months.